Hey everybody, what is going on, and welcome to Stef ABtv. Today is a good day. I'm very excited because I'm down here with the guys from Modern Mini and their own garage, Torque Monkey. Now on my left is Miriam. Hello Miriam.
Hiya.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Now you like your minis, don't you?
I love them, yeah.
Do you like mine?
I actually genuinely do. Grey is one of my favourites.
It's a bit dirty though. That's my worry is, I don't know if you know, there was a storm the other day and I kind of...
I had heard.
Yeah, not good. But anyway, storm aside, what exactly we're here to do? Obviously, I'm here to do modifications, but I guess the first thing before I introduce you to the modifications, I guess, Miriam, can you, give us an introduction to yourself and kind of what you guys do at Modern Mini and here at Torque Monkey?
Yeah, of course. So Modern Mini is our online performance parts shop for, obviously, BMW Minis. We started it in literally our living room, and now we've built ourselves up to being able to have our own garage here in Chelmsford.
All of those links are going to be linked in the description. If you want anything Mini related, you know, link in the description. Make sure you go check them out, because all these parts which we're doing, you can get on the website,
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
And I guess what are we doing?
Okay, so first of all, we'll be doing the Supercharger Service,
Yeah.
which is a really good investment to anyone who's going to be buying a new R53 anyway. And then while we're there, it's an ideal opportunity to be able to install the Supercharger Reduced Pulley, and then likewise the belt that will go with that, and then the Airtec intercooler as well. And you've got a few little colourful bits to add to. Yeah,
I see there's some nice purple bits in there. And I did think to myself, if I'm going to do it, I might as well do it properly. So, and to be fair, I didn't even think of this. These guys kind of reached out to me and said, if you're going to do a Supercharger service, you might as well do water pump and pulley as well. So that's what we're doing. That's the plan. And yeah, I guess the next part really is to just get the car inside and start pulling bits apart.
Here we go, no pressure.
Oh, man.
No pressure. Miriam's getting the car in for us to start some work. Oh, the Stef ABtv number plate's finally on it as well. That took a flipping age to get on. And ironically, when I put it on the other day, the storm blew it off. So yeah, we stopped super glue on that. Oh, exciting times. Exciting times. I cannot wait to get all of this stuff on. It's just going to be so good. I like these purple snoot boots. They're very, very nice. So it's always interesting to have a quick look at the underside of a car, and this is the first time I've actually seen it. And Miriam's had a look and said, actually, it's relatively okay-ish. This is common, right?
Yeah.
This is common.
That is, even on my own car.
Okay, cool. So yeah, there's a slight oil leak there, but anyway, you were just telling me about some pointless thing that Mini put in that they shouldn't have put in.
Yeah. So these are like, well, effectively rubber protectors.
Yeah.
To stop, I presume, dirt going into it, but what they're really good at is withholding all the moisture as well, and then that bolt that goes behind it rusts so badly, and it's really a nightmare to get off. So yeah, we would always recommend taking those off if your car still has them.
So should we take them off?
Yeah.
Oh, well, not doing. Well, we'll take them off. Anyway, there you go. Fun fact, if you didn't know, because I clearly didn't. Thank you. And I've just spotted, this is Miriam's car, and one of the things that I really want to explore, because I might get it for my car, is the short shifter. So I'm gonna have a quick look inside now, but I do like what she's done with this. How did you get that light to be orange?
Well, it was the process of about 4 months, and it was the most stressful job. But you can literally take out the unit. Yeah. And you heat it. Some people use an oven. Some people, I use just a heat gun. Yeah. And you can sort of, the sticky glue sort of separates itself, and then you can unbolt all the bits, paint it all, and then put it all back together again.
I like
my
that.
My disappointment is the fact that I lost one of my bolts when I put it back together again, and then ever since then it's not really been as steady.
But it looks very cool. I do like that. So in terms of gear shifters, this is insane. I love the fact that it matches the theme of the car as well. But look at this. Oh, this short shift is amazing. Okay, I'm impressed.
I do love it. I think it's my favourite modification I've got on that car.
I do, but also your seats. These are incredible. Okay, I think we might be coming back for this, because that is pretty incredible. Love that. Here is my my Cat C write-off right now. Here's my car, and interestingly enough, it looks relatively clean from the front, and the guys have said they've seen a number of these, and yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Obviously, we've got this oil leak here, which apparently is common. Probably end up addressing that at some point, but overall, we're all right. We good?
We're all good.
We're good. Oh, you're storying me. Yeah, we're good. Happy days. Oh no, I spoke too soon. Miriam, we spoke too soon. What's going on? No, we don't want to do that, mate. Be safe, be safe. But no, we've just spotted. Yeah, I've got a nice crack in the alternator as well. That's not good. Now, seeing as the front is already off, we're going to replace the alternator as well. So, yeah, Miriam's gone up into the den to grab us a nice new fresh. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that, all shiny and fancy. This is something that I didn't have planned to do, but like I said, if the car's already had its front end taken off, we might as well do it. But yeah, looking forward to getting the Cavs 17% pulley on. All this stuff, oh, it just makes me very, very happy. Now remember guys, if you are around the Essex area and you want some work done to your car, then go to check out talkmonkey.co.uk, and obviously this is the garage. And of course, if you want stuff for your Mini, the Mod and Mini link is in the description below. These guys are awesome. They're really, really good people, and also they've got a whole lot of stuff for your car, so make sure to check that out. Okay, so Supercharger's off. It looks relatively clean in there. I'm pretty impressed actually. So new gaskets going on this, and obviously with the Supercharger being off, we will be replacing the pulley to the 17% pulley, and also because the charger is pretty much linked to the water pipe, so that's coming off too. So we're doing a water pump, right? Yeah. Water pump, and then a service on this charger, and then we'll be starting to put it back together again. And you can see here what's left of the car currently, and then we'll do cooler plugs, top mount Airtec intercooler, which we'll unbox very shortly. What else are we doing? Oh, we're doing the hose as well. So yeah, overall it's starting to take shape. Very excited, but if I'm honest with you, I'm pretty impressed with the state of those blades. Look at that. So original pulley's off. We're going to stick the Cavs 17% pulley on. So for those who aren't aware, and apologies if I'm teaching you to suck eggs, but the whole purpose of a reduced supercharger pulley is that it allows the charger to spin faster. When the charger spins faster, it then pumps more air into the combustion engine, which then means more power. So more air, more power. That's the logic behind it. So in fact, let me find the old pulley. One sec. Oh, right, I'm back. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. So you can see it's definitely smaller in size. Look at the state of that oil. Wow. Thick black supercharger oil. I did ask if this had a Supercharger service prior, and it definitely doesn't look like it has. So yeah, look at the state of that. Interestingly, I'm about to show you what new Supercharger oil looks like, which is right here, and you can see the color difference between this and this. Look at that. Well, one looks like coffee, the other one looks like iron brew. We've got the Supercharger pulley on.
Yep.
What's this? I mean, we know what it is, but why is that so dark in comparison to that one?
To be fair, every single one that comes out is going to look like that.
Yeah.
It's just old oil that has got really, really hot continuously.
Yeah.
The really good thing about this one, though, is the fact that you have got so much oil. We have had a lot of cars come in and they have had the barest absolute minimum that drips out. So you have actually done really well.
So we've done well.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to say well done, car, but there's nothing left of it right now. So that's good news. I guess that means that the Supercharger itself will be in relatively good nick.
Yeah,
then.
I mean, all the blades inside, there aren't really any big scratches. It sounded really good when we reversed it in. It sounded really good. So yeah.
Exciting times.
The only other thing is I've covered it so that you can't smell it. What would you reckon it smells like?
Oh, flipping hell. Well, I made reference to that one looks like coffee and that one looks like iron brew. Is it really bad?
Do you want to try it?
Okay, let's find out. It's not a thing I normally do to go and sniff Supercharger oil, but I mean, it's oil, right? Oh my. Oh, I'm trying to, hang on. I'm not going back because I like it. I'm going back because I'm trying to. Do you know what it smells like? Vinegar / old food in the cupboard, which is horrific, by the way. In fact, no, it's really nice. You should all give it a go. Okay. Do a shot. Shall I do a shot? Jonathan said do a shot. No, we're not doing a shot. Oh, God, that's grim.
I'll put it
sort of smell the same?
It does have a slightly vinegary smell to it, but it's nowhere near as bad.
Oh, that's nothing.
No,
look, come on.
No.
Look.
Even I'll smell that one.
See, there you go. Have a shot of that. So welcome to Talk Monkey and Mod and Mini, and this is what we do here. We sniff Supercharger oil. Let's find out what's in this box.
For those of you who've been subscribed to the channel for a while, you guys will remember that I had an Airtec front mount on my 595. Obviously the difference this time around is I've not gone for a front mount. You can do front mount intercoolers for the R53s, but specifically on this one we've gone top mount. Now I think this is going to look extremely cool. Now we have gone all black, and oh yes, look at that. I mean that in itself just looks cool.
Yeah, that'll do.
That's it. And there you go. That's my supercharger and my supercharger pulley intercooler all done. Oh, to be fair, I just did the last bolt. Tim and the team did everything else. I'm useless with cars. Mega grateful. Now let's see how this thing sounds.
Oh man, I've just managed to turn the cameras on now because all the way home it's been raining, and only now has it just stopped raining. But first things first, before I give you a quick blast, I'll do a full first drive review of the new Supercharger pulley and the intercooler in another video. But I just want to say a massive thank you to the guys at MINI because they were really helpful. They're a lovely group of people, and if you need any of the products that I've got on my car, they'll be linked in the description below, and also an entire video on doing a Supercharger service is also linked below. Let's see what this sounds like. That sounds wicked. Oh, that has got so much more whine to it now as well, and I can definitely feel that pickup as well from towards the higher end of the RPM. Listen to that sound. Oh man, I like that. I like that a lot. Well done guys, thank you so much. So what's next? I don't know at the moment. I think for now we're going to keep the car as it is. We'll see what it's like. We'll get used to it. I'll do a proper first drive video shortly as well. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy the way this supercharger whines. I'm going to drop into second. I mean, tell me that doesn't sound great. That sounds so good. Oh, you don't even need to go full throttle for it to sound good. Brilliant. Brilliant little thing. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me getting a Supercharger pulley installed and an Airtec intercooler, as well as some other little bits and bobs. If you did, please smash the like button. Please, please, please make sure to check out the guys at MINI. I'll link their YouTube channel in the description below. Check out their Instagram and their store if you need stuff done to your car. And I'll see you all very soon on the next video.